And good morning, strategic traders. This is Brian Swan with Strategic Trading Service, and we're coming to you with an early alert this morning. This weekend has had some significant events with President Trump bombing Syria and the dollar taking a tremendous boost off of that. We're going to look and focus on the Aussie dollar pair today for several reasons. A, because of the fundamental reasons of the dollar, as I just stated, but more so the technicals. Right now, if you look, see that right now our PSAR system still has up, but look at the Williams percent in reverse sign. I mean, the Williams percent indicator, the bottom window here. You'll see that we are severely oversold and excuse me, overbought. And we are right now in a retracement zone. We have reached the pattern of retracement where we're looking to come back down to the 80 level, or at least revert from the 20 level, which we are tremendously high on. And if you notice, each time we reach this level, and this is one of the reasons why I love the Williams percent indicator. It was created by Bill Williams, who's one of the most genius people ever to do trading, and especially in the forex market. This man has made millions of dollars, and he's created several indicators which work really. And this is one of my favorites. And as you can see, each time we reach the overbought or oversold level, we attempt to make a retracement to the other side. And this is one of my main uses of this system, buying and selling this Williams percent indicator. But more so than that, we have confirmation on a technical level. If you look at the center pattern of the chart, you will see the moving averages. You will see we have our moving averages that are now touching. We are looking at a cross pattern of moving averages right now. Line. Those are our moving averages, and we are looking at a definite retracement because of this. When you have a crossover of moving averages, you can look for a reversal of the current pattern. And to top that off, if you look at just a singular day pattern, you'll see that we are making consistently lower lows and lower highs, and a stair-step pattern coming down from this major run up that we've had over the past several months of the Aussie dollar. We're looking to retrace down at least to the 7500 level, 75.99 level right now. So right now today, if I were an options trader, today, I would simply take a at the money sell of the Aussie dollar if I were an options trader. If I'm a forex trader, I'm also going to be doing the same thing. But there are several ways to play this. You can take an out of the money put call. You can take an out of the money put call or out of the money option from Nadex and look for price to fall into that zone. You can take an in the money call, and you can say that, well, we're not going to get that high anymore. We're not going to go higher than that. Either one. But right now, I'm looking to make a play for the downward push of the Aussie dollar, which means an upward push for the US dollar. And that is going to be the technical call that we make today for those reasons that we've stated. Now, we can look at several other pairs, and you can see the same thing. Let's go ahead and look at one of my favorite pairs. We're going to look at the dollar yen. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is pronounced dollar yen, not dollar JPY. Whoever says dollar JPY, you're an idiot. Please stop saying that. It is pronounced dollar yen. Okay? Now, just had to get that out of the way. It's just one of my pet peeves. I hate when people say that. Okay. Now, same thing with the dollar yen. You see that right now, the dollar yen on a daily pattern is sitting on the high end of the Williams percent level. But we do not have the significant crossover pattern that we have with the moving averages. Okay, and you see that we are also on an uptrend with our PSAR level. So we still have some room to go with the dollar yen. And I said that we're going to push up higher. Now, using this Williams percent indicator is a learned process. It is not simply when it reaches overbought or oversold that you reverse. Okay. Right now, we're seeing a level that if you look at the Williams percent indicator, you'll see that we've had several times. In fact, we've been for days now, days on top of days on this level. But each time we touch the 20 level, we seem to go back up some, and then we come down and we stay in this level of 20 plus. So right now, there's no fundamental change except for a positive for the dollar. So I expect us to do the same thing again. And you can see the slight curvature of this indicates that this is the case. So right now, the dollar yen is also a good buy. I would buy the dollar yen. I would take an out of the money call, or I would take an in the money put on the dollar yen. And that's what I would do if I was an options trader. Once again, if I was a forex trader, I would simply buy the dollar yen and hopefully we would go up on that and we would have a good cause to do so. Now let's go ahead and look one step closer. This is just one level of verification using the daily chart, but let's move down to the hour chart. Using the hour chart, you'll see that we have much more verification of our hypothesis. We're looking at an uptrend in the Williams percent indicator, and we're also looking at a crossover level from the moving averages, and more so importantly, if you look at the PSAR system, we are about to touch the down top down level. Once the PSAR system touches the indicators from the previous trend, that indicates a switch, change in trend. When the lights are green, well, they're all green on this level, but when we touch the top level, then we will have bottom level entries that says, hey, buy, and vice versa. And you don't get that until you see that switch over. Let's look back over here. If you look in the center of the chart, you will see that we have down levels. And then when price reached up here, right in the middle, right smack dab in the center of the screen, right here, you'll see when price touched this last dot in the middle of the screen that we got a lower dot below which pushed the price up. Now the price did not continue up, but you see the change that it gave us, and it did give us a slight push up, but it did not continue all the way. And immediately, once we got the fall from the next hour chart, the next hour candle, we immediately switched back over. So this is the way to use that symbol, use that indicator. And you also see that we have the crossover of the moving averages. So when you have confirmation on 2 or 3 indicators, that is a confirmation for the switch over. Now that's just a basic overlook of some technical analysis, but like I said, we're going to go back to the original call that we made today, and that is the Aussie dollar. And that is what we're into right now. We're into a sell on the Aussie dollar. We have that being sold on our end, and this is the way that I would call it for the day. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Strategic Trading's call for the day, and I'm Brian Swan. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.